Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are experimenting with my SureBonder glue gun, and we are making some really cool faux wax seals using hot glue. Now the cool thing about these wax seals is that there is an image underneath that you can see, and you can use any image you want. You can put a little message under there, you can use a photo of you and your best friend, but they are perfect for Happy Mail. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some faux wax seals. The development of organized courier service for the dissemination of written documents started in Egypt around 2400 BC. The earliest surviving piece of mail is also Egyptian and dates back to 225 BC. The use of wax seals began in the Middle Ages and was originally reserved for the wealthy or ruling classes. In the Middle Ages, it became customary for the seals of women and ecclesiastics to be in a vesica, which means a pointed oval shape instead of the traditional round seal shape. Although hot melt adhesives have been around for decades, advancements in polyurethanes have made it popular for applications like bookbinding, woodworking, and packaging. I'm going to leave a link to SureBonder and everything I used for this video in the description below, including links to some of the images that I used. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.